Have a great day to all guys and my House of Forex family. How are you all? Hope all will fine and doing very awesome. As you guys looking, here is my simple chart front of you guys. This is Crash 500 Index. I am going to explain powerful secret strategy for trading volatility indexes. Let me show history of my account. We deposited $500 and here is showing $497. The profit from this strategy is $1091, and we took the withdrawal almost $1546. Okay, this is the power of this strategy. So let me explain this strategy and so you guys understand. This strategy for all traders, beginner and all type of traders. If you have target daily basis $20 and $30, this strategy is for you. If you wish to make more money, you have to deposit minimum $500. And if you make to $20, $30, you can go with $100 and daily target with $20. So let me explain this strategy, how to do, what to do, when to do. So this is the best strategy. First of all, you have to look some points. I hope you guys know support and resistance, which is the major role of price action, a major part of the price action. So you guys know the support and resistance. If you guys don't have knowledge of support and resistance, simply go and Google support and resistance. You understand some basic points. So the basic point of support and resistance will be enough for you to trade swing and also using this strategy. So let's guys explain this strategy. First of all, you have to choose the crosshair. Look here with F icon, you will click in crosshair. Just simply go and check the start of the day. So let's move the crosshair start of the day. Okay, today is 11th/4, so let's see where is start of the day. So now look here below on my crosshair, which is showing the time, date, and let me mark the things and area also. Look here, this arrow, I will put the crosshair so you guys understand clearly. Now look here, it's showing start of the day from this candle. Okay, 11/4/2022, and the time is 0000, which is indicate the start of the day. So simply you guys have to do just go and mark start of the day candle. Just go and mark start of the day candle, which is this one, start of the day candle. And now what you have to do, pick the horizontal line, put here at high and low area of start of the day, first two candle, we call this IB, initial balance. Okay, IB candle start of the day, first two candle will be your IB candles of M30. Okay guys, so simple. This is very powerful strategy. You guys need to focus on some practice and demo. You will understand clearly. This is really very amazing strategy. Simply you have to mark start of the day. Look here, start of the day, and first two candles will show you the IB range. It's called initial balance of the day. You have to mark first two candle of the day. Simply click horizontal line and put on high area and put on low area of start of the day, two candles, and here is our IB range, two candles. Now once the market cross this IB from lower support, or market cross from higher resistance, and you will go for buy and sell. How to buy and sell? Once the market break this IB line, look here, IB the two candles, high and low area. Once the market crossed this and started going down, you will go for sell. And once market break upward, you will go for buy. Look here, here's the market just broke this area, and here is your auction started, and you made few pips and good move. And here at this arrow, you guys can look, this is IB area, first two candles, and once the market break this support area and started going downward, no need to look back, no need to draw anything, no need to draw any support and resistance, just simply draw IB initial balance and go for trade. And once market cross this IB area, and started going down, we go for sell. Okay, and once you have trade in profit, just simply go and set trailing stop. Let's move on next index, which is 75 index, very popular. The same thing, we are going to check the start of the day, check the cross here, and here is the candle, start of the day candle. Okay guys, now let me mark and show you start of the day candle. This one is start of the day candle. Here is the time, 11/4/2022, and the time is showing 0:00:00. Okay, 24-hour ending. So here is the next candle of 30 minutes. Look here, 00:30. The time is showing 00:30. So now just go and pick the horizontal lines. This is very awesome strategy, guys. Pick the horizontal lines and put at high area and low area. The two candles of start of the day, and once market start going up and break this resistance and start going upward, you place the buy trade here, and go step by step with market. And once you trade in profit, set the trailing stop. Okay, and once your stop loss hit, wait for another opportunity. Look here, your stop loss hit at this point, and you out from market with profit, and suddenly the market started going downward back to your IB range, start of the day range. And once market back to the IB range, okay, once the market back to the IB range, you will go and wait for breakout. Okay, wait for breakout. And look here, if the market break this support area, you will go for sell. If the market break this resistance, you will go for buy. And look at this candle, market just broke this area and started going upward. So this is our buy trade. So now move on another. Which pair? I will check VIX 50 index. Okay, you just need to mark the start of the day. And here is the start of the day candle, guys, this one. Now let's mark two candles. The first one and the second one, high and low area. And now once market break this resistance, you will go for buy. And once market break this area, you will go for sell. And now look here, how awesome this sale, and you made good pips, and now market is coming back to this IB area. Okay guys, now let's check one more example, very powerful strategy. I will check VIX 50 1S index. Again, pick the cross here, check the start of the day, and here is start of the day candle here, and the next two candle is IB range. Let's go and mark the IB range, high area
and mark the low area. Market just broke this support and started going down. And look here how awesome and how easy to understand this. Just mark the IB area and go and make the trades. This is very powerful strategy. Just go practice and make awesome profit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.